Welcome back, folks. I'm Ryan Botsek, and today I'm going to show you two different ways of how to clean greenling. The first way I'm going to show you is the fillet way. And you make an incision with your fillet knife down the gill plate, cutting at an angle. Now, take your knife, work it in that cut, and make it flat like this, and slowly make your way down the fish. All the way to the tip of the tail. You can see that I left a little skin there. Flop it over, and take your knife and slide it right on down, gripping the tail with your other hand. There's the first side. Same thing again. Making a cut at the gill plate. Getting your knife in there, going right down the fish. All the way to the tail. Flipping it over. Taking your knife. Right off the skin. The next way I'm going to show you is like I do any of my normal trout. I'm going to cut right down the belly. Make an incision all the way to the tail. Up the fish all the way to the head. And then I'm going to cut at the top of the head. Just making a cut across the top, then taking the tip of my knife, going down the gill plate, switching to the other side. Same thing, taking the tip of your knife, working down the gill plate. Now that you've cut all the way on both sides there, you take the head, you twist it, and it pulls all the guts right out. And any excess stuff, you can take your finger. You see how there's kind of some blood there on the inside by the spine. You take your thumb. It's kind of bony in there, but work it out. Take a little water to it. Getting it nice and clean in there. I'm going to go ahead and clean our fillet board here. Now that that's done, chop off the tail. And there you have it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.